Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Power BI service, complete guide step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Power BI service. The URL is www.powerbi.com. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button. You will be directed to a login page. Enter your email address associated with your Power BI account. Click on the Next button. A new page will appear asking for your password. Enter your password in the provided field. If you have enabled multi-factor authentication, you may receive a verification prompt. Follow the instructions to complete the verification process. Once your credentials are verified, you will be logged into Power BI service. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. You can now access reports, datasets, and dashboards available in your account. To sign out, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Sign Out from the drop-down menu. You have successfully logged in and out of Power BI service. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.